Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Recently we discovered the social media sensation Dalgona coffee, otherwise known as whipped coffee. We thought, let's give it a try. So next up, we'll show you how to make the classic Dalgona coffee. Dalgona coffee requires only 3 ingredients: milk, hot or cold, instant coffee, sugar, and hot water. So let's do equal parts of everything. 2 tablespoons of instant coffee and 2 tablespoons of hot water. And then for most videos that I've seen, what they do is they just use a hand mixer. Some say that whisking it by hand is better, but it will really take a long time. So this is ready. The way to tell is when it forms these stiff peaks. So it took about just 1 to 2 minutes of mixing this mix and it's already nice and fluffy. One option is to put ice cubes in first. I'm doing the cold milk variation. The other variation is hot milk, but I don't really like to dilute my milk with melting ice. Final step before drinking it is to put the fluffy coffee on top of the milk. Alright, these are ready. Let's go give them a try. Now I'll give it a try. Interesting. It's actually, even though there's sugar in there, it's quite bitter still, and I can taste the instant coffee flavor for sure. But it's interesting, it's nice and frothy. Well, I want to try 2 variations. One of them I've seen on the internet, and it's basically the Dalgona chocolate variation. And then I want to try something that I sort of thought of recently. I'm going to brew fresh coffee, and I'll put the Dalgona style chocolate on top. So this is a local Bay Area San Francisco brand, Ritual Coffee. I'm going to grind it. For the Dalgona chocolate, I'll put 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder in a mixing bowl, 2 tablespoons of sugar, hot water, 2 tablespoons. So it's the same ratio, same amounts as with the Dalgona coffee. Okay, now I'll measure half a cup of whipping cream, like this, and that goes in there. Okay, this is done. With whipping cream, you don't want to over mix it because it will turn into butter. So with this Dalgona coffee chocolate variation, I'll do it 2 ways. I'll do this on top of cold milk and I'll do this on top of freshly brewed coffee. And I think the coffee just went off. It's done. All right, so here I have cold milk, freshly brewed coffee, and the Dalgona style chocolate will go on top. This Dalgona style chocolate on top of the freshly brewed coffee will resemble a mocha. Here are the 2 versions of the Dalgona chocolate variation. One on top of cold milk and one on top of freshly brewed hot coffee. Abby can't taste this one because it has chocolate and it's poisonous to dogs. But I will give this one a taste. Let's see, I'm gonna stir it up a little bit like this. Mix it in with the milk. I like this one. It's really good. And now this version. I also really like this one. For the Dalgona coffee inspired strawberry variation, I came up with pureeing the strawberries and kind of like with the Dalgona style chocolate, mixing them into whipped cream and then putting them on top of milk and coffee. So let's do this. Frozen berries or fresh berries. Pour some hot boiled water on top. As with the chocolate variation on the Dalgona coffee, likewise we'll put 2 tablespoons of sugar into the mixing bowl, a half a cup of whipping cream in here. Mix it until it goes stiff. When you see that this is almost ready, you want to put the puree in. And for this amount, I will use about 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of puree. I want to scrape the sides. Okay, this is ready. And as with the chocolate Dalgona coffee variation, we will do one with cold milk and one with hot, freshly brewed coffee. We'll put this beautiful, frothy strawberry puree cloud on top. Last little tip is you can use the puree to drizzle it a little bit on top and to decorate it. All right, let's go give it a try. Abby, come on. All right, well, I think we can all see that Abby loves the strawberry Dalgona variation. I don't think I'll have a tasting of this. I'll have to make more. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, a paw up, right? And if you like what you see on this channel, please subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Bye guys.